Let's pack for a spring trip to Disney. First, choose the bag. This keeps us from overpacking. Now, I'm flying with Southwest and bringing this small carry-on suitcase. The dimensions are 22 inches high by 10 inches deep and 14 inches wide. Now, as far as clothes, springtime outfits can be tricky, so check the weather often before packing. For this trip, the highs will be in the mid 80s and the lows in the 60s. With that range, I think a capsule wardrobe will work the best, where I'll choose tops and bottoms in the same color palette. We can mix and match. I'll include items such as tank tops and sweatshirts and shorts and jeans to cover any weather. Another way to keep from overpacking is to try on your outfits with the accessories beforehand. Pro tip is to try on without makeup or deodorant to keep your clothes clean. Planning your outfits before you go eliminates having to make that decision when you're on vacation. Besides my pajamas, I have a black, white, and denim color palette. And I make small stacks of complete outfits, including socks and underwear. This also helps me to remember special items that the outfit might require, such as biker shorts under an athletic dress or a top that needs a racerback bra. I do love using packing cubes, and I use them primarily for organization, and you will see that throughout the video. When it comes to packing toiletries, my absolute best tip is to store all of your small travel supplies in one place. Now, I know that this looks extra, and it actually is extra helpful in saving time instead of me running all over the house to find these items, and it keeps me from feeling like I'm forgetting something. I do keep a list that is my head to toe toiletry list where I start at my head and add anything that is used on my hair, then face, teeth, and body. My toiletries will go in this blue cosmetic bag inside my personal item bag. Now, the personal item bag must fit completely underneath the airplane seat in front of you and organize it in a way that will be easily accessible on your travel day. This bag has a luggage sleeve which allows it to securely sit on top of my suitcase, which makes it a breeze to go through the airport. Travel days can have unexpected delays, so do have some form of entertainment and have snacks on hand.
We have made it, folks. There it is.
On this trip, we are doing a split stay where we will stay at two different hotels. Here's how packing cubes really make unpacking so easy. And here is the bathroom setup. And being organized helps to pack up quickly for the next hotel. And here's the unpacked setup in the second hotel. And I do keep dirty clothes in a kitchen-size garbage bag. Now, I do love how the value hotels at Disney have this little nightstand cubby by the hotel door. I do use this to keep my jewelry. I wear the same simple jewelry every day, and my park bag, which is ready to go, my magic band, which is not necessary if you don't have one, and my tennis shoes.